So let's answer the question, bakit wala ka pong content na nagpo-program ka po? So the reason why I don't do contents of what I am doing, especially yung pagpo-program na part, is because possible na magkaroon ng data breach and hindi ko po pwedeng i-risk yun, especially I'm working on the financial and the operation or the day-to-day operation of the business. And I'm not just working for small enterprises, just like what I've said, I'm working for the medium to large scale business. I also work for banks, so hindi po pwede. Especially, sa system na ginagawa ko, they store bank informations and yun nga, financial module. So, let's say, for example, kung sa bank ako naka-assign, di ba hindi mo naman po pwedeng ipakita yung yung machine na pinag-workan mo or the server that you are using for when you are programming, lalo na hindi lang din naman ako simpleng nagko-code lang sa Notepad++ or sa Notepad, diba? Hindi mo naman, kumbaga hindi naman to HTML lang na wala gaano may expose. Kasi when we do program, we program with the address. So, possible na makita yung server address na ginagawa namin, which will possibly pwede kaming matanggal just in case, di ba, na mag-report na may nakakita. So, bawal na bawal yun sa amin. Ang mawalan nga lang ng laptop sa amin, or for example, naalala ko pa, naiwanan ko yung laptop sa Cebu Pack. Talagang I have to request for me to be offloaded from the plane. Kasi nga, very important sa amin ang security. So, nung nalaman ng company yon na nawala yung laptop ko, talagang nagpa-seminar sila sa buong company which has 1,000 developers. So, bawal talaga kaming makawala ng laptop or magkaroon ng security breach. So, that's the reason why when I also upload snapshots sa Facebook, syempre, pinapakita ko yung workstation ko and what I'm doing. Dapat naka-blurred yung monitor or especially yung code na ginagawa ko kasi possible na may mag-leak na server address, so hindi po pwede. Kaya as much as possible when I take a picture, a photo of what I'm doing, nasa malayo ako or naka-blurred lang yung monitor.